Okay, so hello everyone, this will be a video continuation of the last video, which is this one, why I do not install an OCC. Now, because on this video, there are those who said that I should have used a real OCC. And by real OCC, he means this one. Despite all the explanations that I've mentioned in this video, all they could focus their attention on is this. Despite the fact that I've already explained how an OCC works and that they have the same working principle. And he is also claiming that he does not see any oil being pushed out of the dipstick tube, like I've shown in this video. So let me repeat the same test I've shown in this video, okay? Using this one. Now, I just borrowed this from a cousin of mine. This is not used. He unfortunately bought this before he got to see my video and decided not to install it on his vehicle. So rather than let this go to waste, he figured I could use this for this video. So let's get to it. You see, no OCC, no oil out of the tube. With that installed, you see the oil coming out. Now, like I've already explained in this video, there's a difference between how a diesel and gas engine works. Because on a gas engine, you have a throttle valve. Now, let's use this to simulate a throttle valve, okay? While your engine is idling, the throttle valve is only partially open. And that limits the airflow being sucked in by the gas engine. And because of that, it provides a high vacuum on your crankcase. That is why, when you lift the dipstick, you won't see any oil coming out from there. You see that? But when you rev the engine by opening the throttle valve, the vacuum now is decreased. And that is what happens. Now, I've already explained all that in this video, okay? So if you want to learn more, just watch this one. So it's up to you if you want to use an OCC. As far as I'm concerned, I really do not want to redo this video, okay? Because I know if I use this one, then another person would say you should have used this one instead, or this one, or this one, or this one, or like this individual is saying, I should try the really expensive one, or use a shorter hose or longer hose, blah, 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 and it will be a never-ending scenario. So I'm not going to do that because you are focusing too much on what instead of focusing on why. And as far as I'm concerned, I've already given that explanation in this video. And if that is not enough to you, then that is not my problem, okay? I will dare say the people that are insisting, demanding even that I should have used a real OCC on this video are those who have already installed an OCC on their engine. And now they are trying to convince themselves that they have made the right decision in installing one. Let me make this clear, okay? There is no doubt that this thing works. There is no doubt that this will be able to separate the oil and keep it from going inside your engine. But the question is, at what expense? At what price? And I've already explained all that in this video.